In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas in Notion without needing any coding skills. Notion is an exceptional tool for organizing your thoughts, tasks, or projects, and adding formulas can significantly enhance the functionality of your databases. So, let's dive right into making your Notion pages work smarter. First, we'll need to navigate to the specific page in Notion where you want to apply the formula. Open Notion in your browser and find your way to the page that will host your table. Once there, type the command /table view directly into the page. This command will allow you to add a table view to your page easily, which is essential for incorporating formulas. When you see the table view option, click on it. This will bring up a blank table where you'll be entering your data and make it ready for formula input. Next, let's add our properties to this table. Click on the Add Property option. This is where you can define the columns for your table. After clicking Add Property, click on the Number option. This sets the data type for the property you're creating, which is essential for performing calculations. Now, you'll have two columns in your table. It's time to personalize them a bit. One way to do this is by changing the default names of these columns. Click on the header and rename it to something meaningful for your project, such as quantity or total cost. Once you have your first property named, we'll add another by clicking the plus button again and repeating the previous steps to create a second number property. This flexibility allows you to keep adding as many numeric properties as your project requires. After setting up your columns, it's time to introduce the magic of formulas. Click the plus button once more, and this time you will select Formula. In this newly created formula column, input the numbers relevant to your calculation needs. This could include quantities or costs that you plan to work with. Once your numbers are in, click on the field to highlight it and start typing in those numbers or operations you need. For instance, you might want to add a formula to multiply two properties. Click in the formula bar, select the column you'd like to perform the operation on, and use operators like multiplication or addition. For a multiplication formula, you'd click on one property, select the plus sign, then click on the other property like cost. This action will link the two fields via multiplication. Once your formula is set up correctly, review it to ensure everything is as it should be, then click Done to save the formula. And there you have it. The formula will now dynamically calculate based on the data you enter in those properties. By following these steps, you've now integrated an efficient and powerful feature into your Notion workspace without typing a single line of code. Practice with different types of formulas to discover how they can further enhance your data management in Notion.